Joiner and dear students, I want to take an example of error. In this example, we have to find out relative error, percentage error, absolute error, etc. So, question: if we measure the time period of a simple pendulum in successive measurements, the readings are 2.63 seconds, 2.56 seconds, 2.42 seconds, 2.71 seconds, and 2.80 seconds. Here you see that we have taken 5 observations. Calculate the absolute error, relative error और percentage error. इसमें हमको absolute error, relative error और percentage error निकालनी है. तो हम इन सभी 5 ऑब्जर्वेशन से टी मीन निकालेंगे, टाइम पीरियड का मीन. टी व्हाट इज टी मीन? 2.63, 2.56, 2.42, 2.71, 2.80 divided by 5. Now this is इतना 2.62 seconds. The error in measurement delta T1 is equal to 2.63 minus 2.62 equal to plus 0.01 second. Delta T2 2.56 minus 2.62, this is minus 0.06 second. Delta T3 2.42 minus 2.62 minus 0.20 second. Delta T4 2.71 minus 2.62 plus 0.09 second. Delta T5 is equal to 2.80 minus 2.62 plus 8. So delta T mean equal to mod of delta T1 plus mod of delta T2 plus mod of delta T3 plus mod of delta T4 plus mod of delta T5 divided by 5. Now this will be delta T mean (0.01) plus 0.06 plus 0.20 plus 0.09 plus 0.18 divided by 5. Now this is divided by 5. 0.1 second approx delta t. So the value of t is equal to t mean plus minus delta t means 2.62 plus minus 0.1 second. Now the relative error (2.62) equal to how much? 0.04. So the percentage relative error (4%). Now students, we have two physical quantities A and B. Their measure value, two physical quantities A and B. We have two physical quantities A and B. Their measured values are A plus minus delta A and B plus minus delta B. Delta A and delta B are absolute error. In measurement of A and B. A and B दो फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज हमने ली, A और P दोनों फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज की जो मेजर्ड वैल्यू है वो है A प्लस माइनस डेल्टा A एंड B प्लस माइनस डेल्टा B रेस्पेक्टिवली. Delta A and delta B are absolute errors in measurement of A and B respectively. Now if Z equal to A plus B, then Z plus delta Z, Z plus minus delta Z equal to A plus minus delta A plus B plus minus delta B. So this is A plus B plus minus delta A plus delta B, Z plus minus delta Z. But Z equal to A plus B, then this will be neglected. So delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B. Therefore in addition or in subtraction. In addition or in subtraction, the absolute error in final result is the sum of absolute errors in the measurement of two physical quantities. In addition or in subtraction, the absolute error in final result. Absolute error in final result is the sum of absolute errors in the measurement of two is the sum of the absolute error. मेजरमेंट ए के मेजरमेंट में एब्सोल्यूट एरर कितनी है? डेल्टा ए. बी के मेजरमेंट में एब्सोल्यूट एरर है डेल्टा बी. डेल्टा जेड इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ डेल्टा ए एंड डेल्टा बी. एंड इन सेम वे वी कैन फाइंड आउट डेल्टा जेड इन कंडीशन ऑफ डिफरेंस. नाउ एरर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट और कोशिएंट. Second one, error of product. Now consider two physical quantities A and B and Z equal to A upon B. Delta Z, delta A and delta B are absolute errors in measurement of delta Z, delta A and delta B are absolute error in the measurement of Z, A and B. Now, Z plus minus delta Z equal to A plus minus delta A divided by B plus minus delta B. Z plus minus delta Z equal to A plus minus delta A and B plus minus delta B to the power minus 1. Delta B ऊपर जाएगा to the power minus 1. Now Z कॉमन लेते हैं. Z 1 plus minus delta Z by Z equal to here A common 1 plus minus delta A by A, here B to the power minus 1 common 1 plus minus delta B by B whole to the power minus 1, or Z 1 plus minus delta Z by Z is equal to A upon B. This one 1 plus minus delta A by A, 1 plus minus delta B by B whole to the power minus 1. Z 1 plus minus delta A by A, delta Z by Z equal to A upon B, 1 plus minus delta A upon A, and in second bracket 1 plus minus delta B upon B. Here minus, this is plus. Because why this? Because 1 plus x to the power n is equal to 1 plus nx by binomial theorem. So Z A plus B and Z cancelled, 1 plus minus delta Z by Z is equal to 1 plus minus delta A by A, 1 minus plus delta B by B. मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 1 प्लस माइनस डेल्टा A by A प्लस माइनस डेल्टा B by B plus minus delta A by A and delta B by B. Here 1 plus minus delta Z by Z. Now delta A by A into delta B by B is very less, and so it is negligible. So one plus minus delta Z by Z is equal to 1 plus minus delta A by A plus minus delta B by B. Now 1 can be cancelled from here. So delta Z by Z is equal to delta A by A plus delta B by B. This is relative error of Z is equal to sum of relative error of A and relative error of B. Now if we take two physical quantities, A and B, and Z equal to AB. So Z plus minus delta Z is equal to A plus minus delta A into B plus minus delta B. Z plus minus delta Z equal to B AB, B into A, AB plus minus delta A into B plus minus A delta B plus minus delta A delta B. Now Z equal to AB. So plus minus delta Z equal to plus minus delta A into B plus minus A delta B plus minus delta A delta B. Delta A into delta B is very less, so negligible. So delta Z is equal to delta A into B plus A delta B. Now dividing by Z equal to AB. delta Z by Z, delta A into B by AB plus A delta B upon AB. B cancel, A cancel, delta Z by Z equal to delta A by A plus delta B by B. Now this is relative error in measurement of Z equal to sum of relative error in measurement of A and relative error in measurement of B. Now students, I have explained you the errors in measurement, types of error, combination of errors. In next video, I will explain you some other parts of combination of errors. Prepare it and learn it. Take care. Jai Narayan.